A very good afternoon, dear students. I am Dr. Shivani Sharma, Associate Professor, Department of English, Government College, Solan. I formally welcome you all to the first introductory session. We have had little interaction through the WhatsApp group that was created yesterday, and there is a flood of queries, doubts, and problems that all of you are facing. So before I venture into the introduction of my subject, our subject that we are going to study, I would first like you to understand the structure of your graduation course. So here, what I'm presenting in front of you is the BA first year structure, the course of your BA first year. These are your courses. Along with that, you have a course called the course title and the credits. Because I wonder if you know, I would like to tell you all that the system in which you are studying, the HPU course system, is a credit-based system. That is why the courses have credits to it. Alright? So your degrees will be based on the credits that you earn. The first year has a total of 44 credits, with which you complete your first year. Now to begin with, first course is English 1. English 1 is the course that it has a code English CE 101, and it is English. This is the course title, English 1 Core English Compulsory, and it has 6 credits. Now this is one subject which you all have to study. Okay, no choices, no options. So all of you will be studying compulsory, core English compulsory. Followed by that, you have a core compulsory Hindi. I have put a dash because your Hindi teacher will tell you what is the course called and what is the course title for Hindi core compulsory. And again, the credits are 6. Now, the most important part which had been causing confusions and which had been raising various queries is this part. That is, these are your 2 assigned subjects. When you filled your admission form, you were supposed to give your preferences. So you chose your assigned subjects. I will tell you later why I am now not talking of major and minor, which I had been talking in the WhatsApp group. I'll explain it to you. So, this was your first preference. Of course, let us say, not first preference, but let us say the first assigned subject. So, this is English. Okay? And second, you opted for, let's say, education. Now, we have these 2 papers, DSC 1A and DSC 1B, right? Having course codes, different course codes, and having different titles, different books. When I talk of English Literature 1, you will have one particular book for this course. I'll tell you about that in detail when I give you an introductory session on our subject. Alright? First, you need to understand this structure. Then, we have DSC 1B, English DSC. I forgot to mention DSC. What does that mean? It means discipline specific courses. I repeat, discipline specific courses. That is why you choose these 2 courses. Okay? So, in English, you'll be studying 2 courses, English Literature 1 and English Literature 2. And these are the names, the titles of the courses. Again, 6 credit each for both the papers. Followed by that, your second choice. You have chosen 2 assigned subjects, alright? So, when you have education, again you'll be studying 2 papers in that, and your teacher will give you details related to the course code and the course title. And again, the both papers have 6 credits each. So, these are the 2 choices that you had. This you have to study, this you have to study. The university has already made it compulsory for you to study these 2 core compulsory courses of English and Hindi. This is followed by AECC, Ability Enhancement Compulsory Course. Ability Enhancement Compulsory Course. AECC 1, where you will be studying compulsory course, Ability Enhancement Compulsory Course of Environment Studies. And it has a credit of 4 points. Next you have, and the last one is Ability Enhancement Compulsory Course, ENG. AECC 104 is the course code, and the title is Writing Skills. So these are again 4 credits, and these are again your 2 papers that you have to study, that are mandatory, I must say. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Somebody had asked me, ma'am, what are the other courses that you have to study? So these are the courses: Core Compulsory English, Core Compulsory Hindi, AECC Environment Studies, AECC English, or the title says Writing Skills. The choice is only in this part. You will be studying 2 papers of each subject that you have opted for. Now, why I changed my take of major minor? Reason being, now we will take it as assigned subjects. Say for example, again I'll take English education as the combination. It has been decided that we will see your performance in the classroom, in the midterm exam that we have, and various works that will be assigned to you. Depending on that, it will be decided what will be your major course and your minor course. Of course, major, when it is decided, minor is obviously the second one. So your major paper will be decided in PA second year based on your performance, of course, where you will be studying SEC, which is Skill Enhancement Course. Now you'll be studying these 2 papers, say for example English and education, for a whole year, and maybe with the passage of time your interest changes. So this particular aspect of assigning you major course in the second year will be in your benefit. You can at least, you will be able to decide that what has my interest finally been developed in, whether it is English, whether it is education, or any other subject for that matter. Let us not be confused anymore about the major minor courses. So now we will be taking it as what? Assigned subjects, not major or minor subjects, right? So I hope I've been able to make my point clear to you. I've been able to make you understand what the template of BA first year is. Now, before I call it a day, I would like you to know the courses as far as English is concerned, Literature 1 and Literature 2, English Literature 2. Now, when we talk of literature, we always say that what is literature? Literature is the mirror of the society. And we talk of literature, we always, what comes to our mind is poetry, what comes to our mind is stories, essays, novels and all, okay? So here, at least in first year, no novels, no drama. You will be just studying in English Literature 1. You will be studying essays, stories and poems. And here is the book. The title is The Individual and Society. This is your English Literature 1. Next is English Literature 2. This is Cultural Diversity, Linguistic Plurality and Literary Traditions. This is your English Literature 2. So here again you have poems, short stories and essays. So this is your first penetrate. This is the first assigned subject, that is English. 2 papers, DSC 1A, DSC 1B. What was DSC? DSC was discipline specific course. Then first I told you about this course, Core English Compulsory. This is the textbook of compulsory English. This again contains some stories. You have grammar portion in this, and you have essays as well as stories. So this is what the course content is. I will get into the details of the course, the syllabus of both the papers, DSC 1, DSC 2, core compulsory, and even writing skills. So whatever has been shared over here, whatever I have described you, I will share it with you. I will send handouts to you so that you are in a better position to understand this, and also the syllabus and the books will be shared with you all. I hope I've been able to make myself clear to all of you. Still any doubts, any queries, you're always welcome with it. Thank you so much.